Whoa, now. Let's settle down there. That's for my own safety and well-being. I don't want you putting any spokes in any wheels, if you know what I mean. Now, I know you came out all this way to take me in, but I thought we could engage in something a little bit more productive-like. Do you remember those chats we used to have with...
You have no right to say her name.
Okay. Fair enough. Do you remember those chats we used to have with... that whore? That... Don't understand, Jesse. I just don't understand. I do you the favor of not tying you down, and you try to skedaddle before we can even chat. Help me understand, Jesse.
What do you want from me, Barry?
Like I said, to chat.
About?
I don't know. How's the food where you're at right now?
She was innocent, Barry.
Tell me, do you do all the cooking now? Because if that's the case, I pity the poor
She was our mother, Barry.
Was is right. Anyways, like I was saying, do you remember those chats we used to have with her as kids?
Yeah.
Well, I don't. Well, I should clarify. I remember her spending a whole lot of time chatting with you. She never wanted to chat with the adopted deadbeat of the family. I miss your stories, Jesse. Could you tell me one of those?
You left us.
Yeah, I did. And I can't say that I regret it. You know, let me tell you a story. All those years ago, you gave me this gun, saying, a man has the right to defend himself. It's ironic. I mean, the use of this is what brought us back together. Albeit different circumstances, of course, but... You better not miss with that thing. You've only got one shot, but... you probably know that. It was nice catching up with you, Jesse.
I forgive you.